your girl Kyle the Greatest, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's project, I will be building my brand new vanity, guys. So I'm making some arrangements to my room. Hopefully it take me less than 3 hours to build because it's New Year's Eve and we are going out tonight. So yeah, let's get this project done. Okay guys, so far this is how far I got. It is now 5:18. I am so tired. My hands are like burning. My hands hurting so bad. But this is what we have so far. I'm building the mirror. I did miss one piece right here, but I'm gonna figure out a way to just sit down on top of it because y'all, I'm really tired. It's 5:49. I don't even know what time I started to build this. Honestly, guys, I'm so tired. But I am on steps, well, part 5, where I'm gonna be connecting the mirror to the vanity itself, and then I'll come back when I'm finished, guys. Okay, so I finished the vanity. It's completed. I'm gonna still add that little piece right there on the bottom. It's not noticeable because my chair is gonna be there, but I cleaned off the rug. I'm about to put the TV over here and put the vanity over there. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and the vanity is completed. So I just left from Dollar Tree getting some essentials and some stuff that I needed for my vanity. And also had to stock up on things that I was missing, like mascara and like little concealer. So this is how the vanity came out. It's super cute. I love it. I just got this rug from Dollar Tree. And my mom bought me this chair for Christmas. So yeah, this is a quick Dollar Tree haul of the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. I got this cute little rug to go underneath my brand new vanity. These little 2 cubicles, I'm gonna put these underneath my TV stand. A little eyeshadow palette, medium beige concealer because I like a bright under eye, so I want to go a little brighter. New mascara, and then I also had to get some cotton swabs. Got some liquid eyeliner as well. I got this hook to go on back of my door. Also got this shelf liner for my vanity as well, and like no makeup or anything will spill on it. I got this, and I also have these for my Q-tips. Also have 2 of these for my makeup brushes. Okay y'all, so now I'm gonna just start organizing the vanity, and I'll show you guys the completion when I am done, because I also got to record for TikTok as well. Okay guys, so I just finished organizing the eyeshadows with the foundations. Please don't mind my nails. I'm gonna throw some press-ons on after this video actually. So in the first drawer we have makeup brushes. I love this 3-tier organizer. I got this from Dollar Tree. They had a lot of containers, but they was out of stock out of the things that I actually needed. And I do use lip pencil stains now. I don't use lip pencils anymore. I just put some little rose petals in here, also with some little feathers off my sign in the bag. I got some new makeup brushes, and these are my little beauty blenders. Okay guys, so this is my press-on nail collection so far. I still have to get some more because I am a press-on nail aholic, okay? I don't remember the last time that the nail salon saw me. I know a lot of people be having a hard time finding the real good press-ons, which is the acrylic press-ons. You have to know how to pick them, okay? Like these three right here, these are acrylic. The rest of the nails are regular press-on nails, but I always use builder gel to make these nails last, and they always last me a good 2 to 3 weeks. But I switch my nails so much, so that's why I constantly have to take them off. Okay, here's my skincare collection. I definitely have more scattered all over the place, also in the bathroom as well. So all of this came from TikTok shop.